Welcome to Oelo's epic holiday lighting matchup. On the right, we have the smart homeowner, armed with only a phone and holiday spirit. And on the left, struggling homeowner, equipped with his trusty ladder and staple gun. Which homeowner will get their holiday lights up first? It appears that our smart homeowner is going to be a little slow out of the gate, or should we say car. He's got more gifts than arms. Struggling homeowner seems to be edging out ahead of the competition. He's already untangling his lights. Wait, this can't be right. Smart homeowner is already stopping for a water break? Scratch that, eggnog. Ooh, looks like struggling homeowner took a spill. That's gonna leave a mark. But wait, what is smart homeowner doing? He's pulling out his phone. We've got a clutch play. Those of our lights are dazzling. And who knew they were hanging there the whole time? Get your free quote at Oelo.com.